The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is getting about by World Sports Betting. It is times to see all the It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Orlando Pirates 2 in the Betway Premiership. So it's a derby. Part 1. Next week it will be part 2 in the Nedbank Cup final between Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs at the Moses Mabhida Stadium in the city of eThekwini. Well done to Orlando Pirates, deserving winners of the game. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs as well. They were worthy opponents for Orlando Pirates. They gave them something to think about, particularly at the beginning of the game. And as the game went on, the quality team prevailed. The team that you looked at and you thought for those players that they have, especially the attacking players, you thought they should be the one who win. Eventually, they came into the party and they made the difference in the game. Nkota, Nkosema 2000, Relebohile Mofokeng, and of course, some other players as well. Abotalent Mbata chipping in as well with some key performances. Umbogazi, some key performances as well. Junior Kanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, I'm going to brother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Sibulisa justice.
Justify, just.
Bulisele ngwenya Mlindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
So Vilakazi Benedict ngibulise uMachaka.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Big game for big players. Nkota, re lebogile Mfokeng. This boy Mbogazi. No,
Not Claude
counted.
Not Claude Lila.
Nothing is counted. Nkota, re lebogile Mfokeng. Mbogazi.
And Claude Lila.
No, skele.
Yeah, he scored the opening goal.
Yeah, asiqale njengegame yonke. I think Orlando Pirates psychological, I don't think they're okay. One for them being knocked at the semi-final of Champions League, semi-final second leg, playing so well. And lose the game. I think ibalimaza kakhulu. Also losing the game during the week, midweek. I think they thought we lost already. Idlala indima enkulu ngikhuluma nga first 20 minutes of the game le game namhlanje. They thought the game is lost. Well done for Jose Rivero not panicking. I think the coach today ngifuna ukumcompliment for number 1 not panicking, secondly for reading the game. I think the way they started allowing Kaizer Chiefs build up at the back, it was the biggest mistake. But right mangabu ne quality of players that you know that they can do their job. You know that they've got players who can turn things around. Even Chiefs score, we can score and score again. Going to the game, I think Pirates allow Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates allow Kaizer Chiefs. Build up. Allow. I think also marking Kaizer Chiefs zonal in the middle field. Manga pegum Upegu Yusuf Mart, and also look at this guy.
Midfield.
Yes, Nkosimpile. Bebana sonke isikhathi ebolweni. But now not effective. They had so many ball possession. They could have hurt Orlando Pirates if they were quality of players.
Could have been 2 in the first 10
yes,
minutes.
but now number 1, how many shots Nkulma? How many chances they created? Yes, it's only this ball. Goalkeeper Paidile, whereby the cross Lagamar to Tati run, deep run, and then Modi Amdlala, and then he had to cross, and then the Pola Lady, Utoki, what you are clear, Lago goalkeeper save, the goalkeeper save. But none other than that, Kaizer Chiefs, how many chances they created? They pretend as if they are good side in the first 20 minutes. So many ball possession without hitting Orlando Pirates. Build up, tight situation, I was shocked. But also, I think it defends Orlando Pirates, backpedaling, being close to the goalkeeper in back for. Well done to the coach also to rely on the wingers. I think in South African football, this is how we must play. Just attack.
Absolutely.
Can we rely on attacking players? Yes, wing back, can they support if it's necessary? Yes, they can. But well done for Jose Rivera to say, Nkota, you and Relebohile. Ngoba mangampe uqala uRelebohile on the left, on number 10, and then Uoto front 3 on the left hand side. Not effective Uoto. Mhlambe bafuna le create udlala nga double left back for me, left wing back which is Zumako no Woto being effective Orlando Pirates. But for them after Kaizer Chiefs scoring in 20 minutes, Pirates are responding. Look at the quality of the pass there, outside foot. Mina that's why ngithi amanithile wamfana ngimcompliment whoever boy la ukhona. Sorry boy. Yabo mina ngiprovile mina anyway akangiprovanga ngoba ngimenzela ifavor.
Which player is that?
Nkota. The boy, I think is coachable. Because eninye ithi scored a big heart character. Omunye umuntu after ukukhuluma ngale ndlela ebengikhuluma ngayo ngabe uyoba demoralized. I mean the boy ubonile azange athathe critics in a wrong way. He said, let me look at Mfokeng, ukuthi Mfokeng week in and week out. He does his job. Winger, if I'm expected to perform, if I'm not going to perform, people will talk. So the boy was very predictable. But look at him today. Lela bola lela liphasayo mkotha mina lo ngibonile before first round of the season, some games bewugijima nalo, but look at the way of the pass of the ibhola lapho. Also the positioning of this guy evident Makgope idlalile today, not ngicela ungizwe kahle, not my favorite party play today. I think udlalile today for the fact ukuthi azatholakala kule area leya lapha ku scoring position central lapha ku between two center back. But now why the ball watch ngikhuluma ngokwinyika naye uDove, why the ball watch, why need distance from one another. And mina ngithe mangibona le back four issues ngasho ngathi commit suicide. On the team sheet I saw Dove, I saw Solomons, I saw this guy uCross adlala center back,
Gwinika as well.
I saw Gwinika. Mina vele it was a matter of time. I mean this game, a reflection the early game is score. Actually, the score is not a reflection of this game. It's supposed to be 5-4. We need to be honest. Pirates had so many chances, especially after conceding. Second half, coach brought Ukabelo Dlamini. Because first half, Pirates losing so many balls. I was shocked with why Pirates they rely on Gusbisi and also this boy Mbogazi to pass their strikers front three. Why doing that? And Mfokeng udlala with traffic, I think in whole career Mfana since he started, he has never played to number 10. I know what he could play. Mina ngadlala academy yami dlala nasi school. Bekadlala ku number 10. But ngisho kuphetwe premiership, he's been consistent playing on the left hand side. And we must start position. So today, coach was surprised. I think uqale ngegame le midweek, le Marumo Kalansi played the boy there. Skokune. Sound look uncomfortable. Very good play, can play there, but melum prepare with these small teams. Prepare for position. If you attack, I mean, I believe my attack you can play right or left. If in central you can. My attack. Yeah, but my defend, I believe you can play left, right. Anyway, my defend. So well done, Mfana Paramisanta coach. Moutingela Pangzoe, but he was not effective. Woto front three, I believe Woto is a defender. For me, is a left back. He was not effective. Give nothing. It's only the right hand side that Pirates was functioning, but they were transition football. Every time they catch because of choosing a break. They were relying on Tole. And Yenzegile, Mtui went with the ball inside, and then Ofunukla a clever pass. I believe Lela Pola Begal compliment. A begal complicate, I mean to say, Magal complicate about Lala. La lengamla lo cross isuka khona mayidlala lapha allow this ngotha guy receive first uthe maka receive umpana wabona ukuthi mangadlala le ball between the two center back alele walidlala and well done to evident to attack the ball and finish. But the goalkeeper positioning yakho uvalile first pole liphuma kanjani phansi kwenyawo, liphuma kanjani ibhola phansi kwenyawo mawuya lapha just vali inyawo mfethu le bhola lomshala libuyelele. And then because of one thing, it was going to be difficult, I'm sure, this guy with that core, but he can't dribble. I'm sure defense was going to run back at Chimele Palin. Second half, he came my color. Well done, the coach. Some compliment and telling him criticize and why I was good the game. Then thing is shield over the last second half. Bring Kabelo Dlamini. Kulapi game. He never penny coach was today. Kulapi game. Starting to pass the ball around. Wait for right moments. Rebecca Mfokeng went to the left-hand side. Dangerous player. Now you've got two wingers that are very effective, dynamic as well, very skillful. And decision-making, well done to them. Lengamla was exposed. You cannot play for Chiefs. Cross can't play for Chiefs. He was exposed in today's game. I mean, when it came we all say things really less to the page.
Excluding me,
yeah, okay. Lengamla is doing well. When we are defenders, Suarez go Sundowns. You can't judge you by getting the ball and passing, deciding by. No, your primary job is to defend. It's like Solomon. Today, in Yabona, they can blame Lomfana Kunyika. Yes, Kunyika was poor. You can't pay for Chiefs anyway. But Solomon is supposed to stay. Do primary job. Sit there. You cannot. Why going up front?
Yeah.
It means, he was exposed. And at the game reading, compliment because this Solomon guy, he keeps going. Now Chiefs, they outnumbered at the back. And then Yusuf Marti is holding midfield, but to run all over. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add numbers. And they put wingers both, and they can come in and out, expose them fit. Because the Mfana Lonkota him alone is supposed to score 2 or 3 goals today, if not creating. Because there were balls at Lula. So second half, I think the Chiefs got the red card. They deserve to get the red card. They were under pressure. Pirates was going at them 1v1 on the side to expose defense Abonji. And also in the midfield, Yusuf Mar to check out Utemile, I think him, Kosing Pile Ngobo, or also this poem to Tuzi, but Emile Mangenu Kabelo Lamin. Challenging, but I think the board is nothing special about him, but what I love, energy in feature. No man is mistaking Zoya. He's got the energy. Yes, I love Jaden Adams, but when you check, compare, you cannot look Omiyage Lumfano talent and energy. You can't. Like, good, yes, in terms of decision making, who's available, keep composure, technically, yes, you'll compliment your nigga or Jaden, but this boy, set the standard. Leamfano Zavil, Pirates when they got the ball, it's only him. Mishong Bonena first half, man. We are land, no man lose a pinal win. A rather foul, maybe tactical foul. And we are was good and tactical foul if you team outnumbered at the back. I think I'm compliment and I came in and I'm Spani Lamfan. Nkulma work at Yake, Chandile in today's game in terms of going forward and also box to box sort of. And yes, he lost so many ball, but availing. Peluma Ketleni is like Umtomtana. The energy is not there. Yes, positioning yakutabe there. It's more of extra center back, but Halanga 3 magakon. Yam ipinding at Orlando Pirates because Ababi outnumbers Mangabe wing back, but Halagoma came away. But talent in today's game, some compliments. That's why I need to. Mfuking perform for me, man of the match to me is Mfuking or in quarter. I know the guy scored evident, but sometimes man, Udlanile. But not pushing for man of the match. I think AFCON
Did they give him the man of the match?
Yeah, I'm pushing.
That's ridiculous.
No man, it's killing him.
That's fucking
But
that's the only thing it did was to be available for the ball and score. It was all over the place in terms of his positioning.
They push him for.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, because 2 minor players decide this game. It's Nkota, Mhankot, and Ribukhalem Fuking. And I'm wondering if Tito Masongai was there at their best. So part of their best attacking team.
Yeah, this country, they're very good.
The past 2 years. 3 years, I know Sundowns, there's so many attacking players, but we need to be realistic. As a Sundowns, as a team, very good, but Pirates attacking Sugala. If Mabasa is there at his best, Utito Landela Naila, Gulabantabai for best attacking team. So well done to these players for doing their primary job. Mahonkocha, Relibokhlem Fuking. They won this game for Orlando Pirates. Yaboma a master player, that's why it means you are born to play for this team. This boy Fuking. And when Kulman one did this always true. I said it. This boy is going to score. Feeling this boy perform. Na Leon Coach. Champions League away in future. First season. Uncle Legom Fetus na Kotisani. Na iko is. Ungabuza no maban. I'm talking. No. Ngidlalili petwe premiership into and I know to perform in first season away accept up. The cup lately you play against psychologically is okshada I think. That then guy in Tona lezi zichu. Yiko ngithi for me how na national team it deserve it. I mean, if there are players that called yes, they perform, sometimes they not. 1 game, or 2 games. This boy is scores away. And so, today's games, I think they won, which was very 2 players. They won the game. Yes, he scored, evident, take nothing away. The guy did play, as a striker, very primary job. You have to
score.
Yeah, he need to be there, Yeah. He need to find himself in that position. He can score so many goals. But these 2 players, I'm fit.
Let me wrap it up with you. Let's look at Kaizer Chiefs a little bit. At 1-0 up, could they have done anything to even maybe get a draw from this game? From a tactical standpoint, when they are 1-0 up, I know it was too early, so they can't defend the whole 80 minutes left in this game. But is there anything tactically that they could have done better? I said to you when Umufugeng, they put it back on the left, I said, you as soon as Umufugeng goes to the left-hand side, you tell Solomons, stop going forward. Because if you are going forward, tactically, those small details, they were probably going to lose the game anyways, but could they have done anything at 1-0 tactically to make sure maybe the best they can get is a draw?
One, they can't match the Pirates standard.
With the quality.
Quality of players. Talent Better is playing with Bafana, Mfuking, Sipo Chaine, and also Sibisi as well. And this guy, Yeah, yes, as well. And obviously, Tito Begangeko. I'm just mentioning. They can't match Paris standard sabo the way Paris number 2 in the Betway Premiership. They sometimes beat Sundowns. Yabo. True, the coach supposed to do a tactical change. Reading the game, that's why I get which is Kalang a coach man. I cry also with players. He's got the technical team in on the bench. They were supposed to tell him, look, tell Solomon not to go. Paris, they are better than us in terms of.
Yeah, eventually they're going to score.
Yes. So tell Solomon to sit there. So, Mauti uSolomon ateke. Abolulepo benzani. What is their job? Them and ngoba ulilepo korile, that's all in this game. It just got. That's all. It just got.
That's similar to
if you observe the game, siba realistic. Asekele nuthando sibe in effect. It just got. And coach played him kule position mina ngithi adlale ku striker. I think he's a striker. And he's a natural striker, this guy. But actually striker nasesingakunika something by taking players. The player uyambona he can win aerial ball and he can finish, that's all. Ngoba nale ball well finishing akhona uyambona uthi striker. So coach tactical just kuphendula. Tell Solomon to stay there. Tell Yusuf Mark to stay in front of back for yakho. Just
don't go to the final third.
Simple. And ucele to show ukuthi abana ama player. Ucele supposed to start at this game. Mcale mfethu ngoba I mean ulweli top 8 mfethu coach. I mean you phela him atazwane defense now I think equal in terms of losing it, but 9 games. If you check my stats, yes, 9 games they lost. Phela Chief Darling win game go Betway Premiership. He's very under pressure, this guy. Singayithathi light. And coming to this game, yena he got the early goal. I don't think he knew good things early goal. After that, just tactical coach. Observe the game and then say, okay, Solomon, ulipizwe hamba. And amatheko amawenzi nix. Because amatheko chips, it means kunento abangayenzi kahle. If this Solomon guy will go, keep on go. Or Magdaleno Frost will go. These are takers with Pulemori. Because Pulemori was a worst player today, weakest link in Kaizer Chiefs. Because run number 1 is like a sick man. Like, I just want the NH from him.
Confidence out.
And he's a seasoned player.
Yeah.
I'm not being I'm criticized Umchita. And you're playing week in and week out. So I want to find out, number 1, why you always on the starting 11.
Yeah.
Sometimes I carry game week or but keep excited 3 minutes. Why? Because these youngsters, amanye now, njengalo mfana uNkosimpile. Today, na ube nama moment ngimbonile umfana uyoba ama moment. I'm sure nazo le ntwana ziphinde zicomplain nazo they are not star players, but ziphinde zicomplain ukuthi the chance ethola lo mfana masingayithola nathi. I think we can grab it ngoba upule serious nkulu leyo. In today's game was the weakest link. Lilepo scored a goal. Ngikhuluma ngiyatake cheese mina manje.
Sereno as well, questionable.
Yes, ukuthi Jive ngifuna ukwazi position bekadlala today. I just want to find me a position. Where was he playing? Because you run all over. You go to right back to support. Who must support there? Ngikhuluma le Lilepo ngoba his primary job now is to feed this guy Lilepo.
Yeah.
Is to feed to Lilepo, is to take shot on target, is to make sure Lamalo wing right and left function. But if technically you're gonna go there, value will be over. But like Pirates, I mean, Jobang after reading, well done, Jose. Jobang to read the game, also in a technical team by bringing Cabello. Shape like Pirates. Everybody was doing prep. We need department Pirates. Back 4, they build up this point Bogas. Another player. He's so special player. He's special player, Lumfana. Yeah, he's South Africa Tony Chamber. Very strong.
It's like his 10th
awareness.
Season. Robin Johannes.
Season player, man. Decision making, wanna shout to go, wanna communication. Yeah. If the boy communicate to the I need to speak body language, no mangamus. Something else. So, a bright future ahead of the boy. Bafana, future as well.
You would take him to AFCON?
Not AFCON, no.
Later this year, in December?
Yes, just introduce him. No,
maybe
just
on the bench.
I want these 2. Yes, on the bench. Kula my friend came just Nkota and this introduce them.
All right.
If I want to Badlala, can this boy play? Yeah.
There you go. Thank you so much, Junior. We have another game later tonight. It's Mamelodi Sundowns away in Cape Town against Cape Town City. I was a Soweto derby. I was not disappointing. It was decent. It was okay. Goals. There was some drama as well. Unexpected goal from Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates coming back from behind. It's a story you could tell. It's an interesting story to tell because, of course, hanging in the balance for Orlando Pirates was their spot there up top because the more they lose, the more Sekhukhune and everyone behind the Pirates gets the hope that maybe Nati singangena kule Confederations Cup, maybe we could be number 2 in the CAF Champions League, who knows. So Orlando Pirates collecting those points, you would imagine they would do the same against Golden Arrows. We'll find out. We'll be here, of course, on Tuesday and Wednesday for Mamelodi Sundowns as well. Sundowns tonight against Cape Town City. It is Diski Times, we're sports betting. For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.